Hi, welcome to another SY video. So today we're going to talk about one of our new products, the HDX80. The HDX80 is a Cat6 extender, and this comes as part of our essential range of products. So we have our flagship products which give you all the bells and whistles, give you many functions and features which are often needed. But on occasion, system designers, specifiers are saying we just want a more basic product at a more cost-effective price point, because on this particular install we only need simple extension of an HDMI signal from here to there. We don't need too many extra features. So we've come up with the HDX80. So this is how it comes in the box. So of course you get the user manual, which is very useful. We get the unit itself. Then also in the box, of course, you get the included power supply. Now you only need one power supply. You can put it at either end, and this does offer us two-way IR control from either the source end or from the display end. So you get an infrared collector and an infrared emitter with the set. And then here we have that's the receiver, and there's the transmitter there. So what things do we get with the HDX80 that makes it a good product? It's reliable, of course, it's cost effective, we've already said that, but you do get some of the things that are important. So you get built-in mounting ears on the case, and one of the things I like is the screw locking power connector for the power supply. So when you plug the power supply in, it's got that threaded locking system, so you can just screw that a couple of turns, and that power supply connector is firm. So you're going to make for a reliable installation. So that's going to keep your budget low, because no callbacks for things that have fallen out. So the other thing I like on the transmitter, here we have the HDMI input. We also have an HDMI loop output. So this is acting as a splitter. So you can run this to comfort monitor, it's local, or to another part of your AV system. So on the back, we have the Cat6 connector, or connecting your Cat6 cable from the transmitter to the receiver end. We also have the input and output ports for the IR system. So that's it. So that's the HDX80. You can transmit 4K up to 80 meters with this cost-effective unit. If you want to find out more about this particular product or some of our other products, contact your SY rep or look at our website at sy.co.uk. So I'm sure you'll find this product a good addition to your portfolio of stock products to use. So thanks for watching this video, and as always, we'll see you on the next one.